with Team Dignitas versus Team Coast. Whoa, doggy! All the way to Cloud in the backline, a double distortion and flash. The Zingy actually gets himself out alive. Dignitas takes down Coast. Here comes Zion, Spartan, Hecarim, right into the fight. Saint's still pretty tanky, and they are trading damage back well as Hanser was the first focus. But you forgot about Double Lift on the backline. Counter Logic Gaming will take down Gravity. That could be Avalon going in for the team, but Winterfox actually wants it as well. That was a mistake. Here goes Bjergsen in. This is what TSM wanted. Team Solo Mid take down Winterfox.
So what are you guys gonna do on your break, guys?
Oh, we have a break? We have a break?
Stream. Yeah, well, for Katowice.
We have a break?
We're not going to Katowice?
I want to go home.
I don't have friends, dude. All I do is stream.
You know, if you tape your fingers together, you could do this.
I can do that, but yeah.
Nice! Nice! Nice!
Alright, let's go.
Going for it, go.
Ooh, FTP! FTP!
There's going to be a big AoE explosion. 1-for-1, down goes the Braum as well. Corki falls in consecutive games. Take down Team Solo Mid and now Cloud9. Dodo zones the team, but Quash will re-engage. He is exhausted. 1-for-1 supports die. Piglet looks for cleanup. Cali trolled by Bob. Team 8 taking down Team Liquid. 4 wins in a row.